Hey guys, in this video I'll show you how to fix packet loss and high ping in Fortnite. Alright, let's begin. Now, these problems are usually caused by internet connection issues, so here are some steps to fix them. First, restart your modem or router. Turn it off for a minute, then turn it back on and wait for the connection to stabilize. Test Fortnite again. If that does not work, flush your DNS and reset WinSock. Open the Start menu, search for CMD, and run it as an administrator. Then enter these commands one by one. ipconfig /flush DNS, ipconfig /release, ipconfig /renew, net WinSock reset. After entering the commands, restart your computer and test Fortnite again. If the issue persists, adjust your DNS settings. Open Control Panel, then Network and Sharing Center. Click your active connection, select Properties, then double-click Internet Protocol version 4. Choose Use the following DNS server addresses and enter a reliable DNS such as Google's. Once done, click OK and test Fortnite. Next, close background apps using the internet. Open the taskbar, check hidden icons, right-click unnecessary apps, and quit them. If using Wi-Fi, connect to the best channel. Use 5 GHz if close to the router or 2.4 GHz if far. Also disable any active VPN. Finally, in Fortnite settings, set matchmaking region to automatic or the lowest ping region. So, that's basically how you can fix packet loss and high ping in Fortnite. And that's it for this video. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and giving this a big thumbs up. Thanks.